Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust margins in PDF document. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta download Adobe Acrobat on your PC and open that PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. And once you do so, you'll be able to see all tools here at the left side. So you're gonna click on Organize Pages. If your PDF contains multiple pages, so you're gonna select the page that you wish to change the margin of. And then you're gonna scroll down and click on Set Page Boxes. And here you'll be able to see the units such as you want the crop to be in points, picas, millimeters, centimeters, inches. So you can select that. And then you can apply to crop box, art box, trim box. It depends on your PDF type. And then you're going to type in the top, bottom, left, right margin. So you can simply select it the way you want. You can also change the page size such as fixed size, or you can transition it dynamically. If you want it to be custom, so you can select the width. For example, I'm going to let it be 9.5. And then you can also select the height. For example, I'm going to let it 11 and then click on OK. But as you can see, it says page size cannot be reduced. So the reason is that you can see that this PDF contains data, and now this is the height that I selected, that is 11 inches. So if the page is cropped, the data will be lost. So you're going to make sure that you don't select any invalid settings. If you do select any invalid settings that will result in ruining your PDF, then it's going to tell you that the settings are invalid. So once you do select the settings that you desire, simply click on OK. And that's it. That is how you can adjust margins in PDF. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.